Welcome back to the channel. Today we're on Project Chief, trying to get the door latches loose, weld on some quarter panels, and whatever else we can get done. Got Umberto in the background. Hey buddy, what's happening?
Hey, how you doing, Bronco?
Good. Glad to see you're back in town.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Maybe you'll learn something. APB Blaster as a sponsor. Never been adjusted. Done a little trick to make your doors straight from Umberto. First, drill these spot welds out. See, the bottom of the door always sticks out. So when you drill those 4 spot welds out, you can bend it without hurting the skin usually. Okay, now Umberto's going to show you the bend. Watch it move really easy. Has to come up.
Quarter panels installed, one side done, one side to go. Now the driver's side, you need to replace the corner. It's going to need a little massaging. Poor Bronco has hit many of snowbanks in its life. It spent its whole life in Mammoth Lakes. This is where we're adjusting this door. Some of these doors always stick out down here. Just rebuilt the 750. It's all ready to go. New crank seals, pistons, new rings.
What are you doing? How come? Okay.